I'll show you how to add PropStream Connect to your account and walk you through everything that's included. But first, what is PropStream Connect? PropStream Connect is an all-in-one lead engagement and communication solution designed to help real estate professionals find opportunities faster, connect with property owners more efficiently, and manage outreach directly within PropStream. With PropStream Connect, you'll have access to skip tracing for owner contact enrichment, including individuals, LLCs, corporations, and trusts. Click to dial for direct outbound calling with AI-assisted conversation guidance, as well as dialer campaigns for managing larger scale calling efforts, and Lead Automator for continuous lead monitoring and opportunity detection. And lastly, direct mail for launching discounted postcard and mail campaigns directly from PropStream. Whether you're building your first lead list or scaling an existing business, PropStream Connect brings you your lead generation, communication, and marketing tools together in one place. Let's get started. Once you've identified a promising property, the next step is finding a way to contact the owner. PropStream Connect includes built-in skip tracing, allowing you to locate owner contact info directly within the platform. To use this feature, open a property record, save it, and then click Skip Trace. PropStream will search for available phone numbers and email addresses associated with the property owner. Skip tracing supports a wide range of ownership types, including individuals, LLCs, corporations, and trusts. You can also skip trace entire lists from My Properties tab. And here's another important benefit. If no contact information is found, the request does not count against your monthly allowance. Free skip tracing is included up to the number of account saves associated with your subscription, and additional records can be purchased for just 10 cents each. You can review your usage at any time through the My Account section. Next, let's set up Click to Dial. Click to Dial lets you call leads directly from PropStream, helping you connect faster without manually dialing. To begin, go to My Account and locate the call settings area. Next, select your preferred area code. Then, choose one of the available phone numbers and save your settings. Once your number is assigned, you're ready to begin calling directly from your lead records. Click to Dial also includes AI-assisted calling prompts that can help guide conversations and support your outreach efforts. Each account includes 3 phone numbers, which can be replaced every 7 days if needed. You'll have access to up to 150 call attempts per day. Now, let's move on to dialer campaigns. If you're managing a larger lead list, dialer campaigns can help you scale your outreach. Rather than calling leads one by one, this feature makes it easier to organize and work through multiple contacts efficiently. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Next, select a lead list and configure your campaign settings. Once your campaign is ready, launch it directly from within PropStream. Combined with Click to Dial and AI-assisted conversation guidance, dialer campaigns provide a streamlined way to manage outbound calling activities. Now, let's check out Lead Automator. Lead Automator helps you stay on top of new opportunities by continuously monitoring your saved lists for changes. Instead of manually checking lists for new leads, you can create automation rules that work in the background and alert you when properties match your investment criteria. To set up an automation rule, start by opening a saved list. Next, select Automate List. From there, choose the list you want to monitor and define the specific criteria you would like to track. Once your rule is active, Lead Automator can automatically identify matching opportunities, trigger notifications, and help keep your outreach process moving. By default, Lead Automator supports monitoring up to 50,000 properties. If you require higher volume, you can expand your monitoring capacity by visiting the My Account page. For a supplemental fee, you can increase your limit to 1,200,000 properties. Additionally, the My Account page lets you monitor your automation usage whenever needed. Lastly, let's take a look at direct mail. PropStream Connect makes it easy to launch direct mail campaigns without exporting data or switching to another platform. Begin the process in the My Property section by choosing a lead list to initiate your campaign. Next, click New Campaign Activity. Then, choose a postcard or mail template that aligns with your marketing strategy. After reviewing your campaign details, submit the campaign, and PropStream will handle the rest. Connect users also receive discounted direct mail pricing, making it even easier to stay in front of potential sellers and maintain consistent outreach. And that's it. With PropStream Connect, you can automate lead monitoring, enrich owner contact information, connect with leads through built-in calling tools, and launch direct mail campaigns, all from one single platform. Thanks for watching and enjoy using PropStream Connect.